Hello everyone, this is Ramit Dhimar from Ramit Engineering Works. Today we make the heating packaging heater for the heating machine. So today we just first of all we just take the block of 16.5 inches in length, and the breadth is about 3.5 inches, as you can see. So the thickness of the wood is 1.25 inches. So first we measure the heating element that is we used. Here is the heating element that we used. So first we measure it up. It's 1 feet and it's 12 inches. So we mark it out. Here we have the 12 inches marking on this side. We just get the 12 inches. And here is the indicator for on off purposes. We just connect, and here's the switch, and here's the material of metal sheet that we wrap in the heating element. So first we just made the layout on the block of wood and just connect the things on the wood and just cut the wood from there, and there it's time to wrap this element in the metal sheet. Here we measure the element size is 12 inches. We have the sheet of 12.5 inches. So we place the sheet on it and just measure the thickness. It's 1.25 inches, and just double the sheet. The second side we just here we have the one strip and the second strip, and just fold it out and then bend it out. The extra sleeve for extra safety. First we measure it and then cut two pieces and place on this element. Same with this side. So now it's ready for packaging into the metal wrap. We just place on this side and just mark the points. And from this side we just take the corner edge and cut from here. Now we bend from here. just take the wooden hammer here. Just measure at the same time, so it's a perfect fit, as you can see. So we just bend it out. We have used this type of mallet, this kind of fork. So right now we put it into this. And just mark on it. And cut these two pieces from here and just bend it over there and wrap it. We just cut the two edges. Now it's time to wrap it down into this. We just place into this and just bend it over there. Here you can see the element is perfectly wrapped. The sheet is 0.8 mm. This metallic sheet is of 0.8 mm. Now this element is ready for placing on this wooden block. Just drill the holes for these two sleeves. So we just measure it up and see the height. It's 4.5 inches, 4.5 inches from the wood block. We have used this type of steel strip. That material is of steel. So we just hold two drill holes on lower side and then connect the element on it. And these are the pillars for this element. We just connect the screws on these holes. Now we cut at 4.5 inches from below. We just mark and cut. We have used the same type for the other side. Here we have the holes, and now it's time to band it out. Here we have the first beam of steel that we are used for the supporting purposes of the heating element. Now for making this similar one and bend in a similar way for same type of bend and height, we just place first this on this side and just place the new one and just tighten the vise truly. And now it's time to bend. So now we have two same to same things. As you can see, we cut from here, we cut down from here, and we have the same parallel strips every time we made these type of heating elements. So this is the tip in this video. We just make a mark on this and we cut from here. So now it's time to do two holes on this. Here we have to do two holes on this side and two on this side, and just place on this. Similarly on the other side. Now we get the markings on this. Maybe tell this is one. So till now we have the element is ready for placing on like this. It's time to connect the indicator and the switch on this wooden pallet. Here we have the power switch here. So for this we just do the center line and channel for wiring. We have this. We have used this channel for wiring purposes. We made here the channel for underground wiring. I just set my cutter at 12 mm thickness. And just make the channel on it. Here is the simple steel tool we have used. So here you can see the wiring channel is ready, and now it's time for switching and the indicator. For connecting the indicator, you just check the limits on this marker and just connect. We have switched the bit to 12 mm, and now it's time for appropriate. We just unscrew this and place in the hole and just see if it is connected. That should fit perfectly. Here you can see now it's time for this heating elements packaging machine that we have created and developed in Ramit Engineering Works. Here is the bottom view, here's the top view, as you can see. So right now we just plug in the wire in the power outlet and just switch on the circuit. Here you can see when I press this button right there, the indicator is blown and it starts heating. As I move this, here is the front view. So here is the switch. As you can see, this indicator works. We just switch on and it starts heating. We just wait for 1 minute for full heating. Here is the polythene. We can check on this with this polythene for heating. As I go in this way, here you can see it starts melting. So this machine is used for fast packaging in industries. You can see this bag is packed